If you're passionate about photography, videography, and staying ahead in the camera world, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into everything you need to know about the highly anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II. From its expected release date and pricing to an in-depth analysis of its upgraded specs, design improvements, autofocus capabilities, video power, and connectivity options, we've got you fully covered. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, sports shooter, hybrid content creator, or an everyday visual storyteller, this upcoming APS-C mirrorless camera might just be your next big investment. Canon seems to be continuing its successful strategy of building cameras that perfectly balance portability and robustness. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to retain much of the compact, lightweight design that made the original R7 so popular among travel photographers and outdoor shooters. However, Canon is rumored to bring significant ergonomic improvements. A deeper, more sculpted grip is likely on the horizon, designed to provide maximum comfort even during extended shooting sessions. Photographers who work long hours in the field, whether capturing wildlife, sports, or street photography, will appreciate this thoughtful update. Weather sealing enhancements are another major step forward. The R7 Mark II is anticipated to come closer to the durability of Canon's premium models like the Canon EOS R5 and R6 Mark II, offering better resistance against dust, moisture, and unpredictable environmental conditions. This is a welcome feature for those who often shoot in rugged, outdoor settings. Further whispers in the camera community hint at a new, more tactile joystick and improved command dials that will provide quicker, more precise control during fast-paced shoots. There's also speculation about the introduction of a top-mounted LCD panel, a feature commonly found on Canon's higher-end DSLR and mirrorless bodies. If true, this addition would allow photographers to monitor settings at a glance, making the camera more appealing to seasoned professionals. One of the most significant anticipated upgrades in the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is its next-generation APS-C sensor. While the original R7 featured a 32.5 MP sensor, Canon is reportedly aiming for a slight increase, potentially reaching up to 35 megapixels. But megapixels aren't the only story here. The big leap is expected to come from the BSI sensor design, which greatly improves light gathering efficiency. This technology is set to offer superior low-light performance, enhanced dynamic range, and reduced noise levels, making the Mark II far more capable in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, it is rumored that the next-gen DigicX or even newer processor will drive the Mark II, offering faster sensor readout speeds and better real-time processing of complex scenes. Whether you're dealing with fast action, high-contrast landscapes, or portraiture, this processor will handle it with fluidity and responsiveness. The autofocus system is where the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is set to seriously shine. Building on Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, the Mark II is expected to integrate advanced autofocus tracking algorithms derived from Canon's flagship models like the EOS R3 and EOS R5 Mark II. Early rumors suggest that AI-enhanced scene recognition will allow the camera to intelligently switch subjects based on real-time composition, making it incredibly effective for sports, wildlife, and fast-moving scenarios. The autofocus zones are expected to be more expansive, providing near-full coverage of the frame, and the tracking is rumored to hold strong even in low-contrast, dimly lit environments. For photographers capturing split-second moments, this autofocus system could be nothing short of revolutionary. Video powerhouse, 6K recording and superior audio control. If you're a content creator, YouTuber, documentarian, or hybrid shooter, you're going to love the video capabilities rumored for the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. 6K video recording at 60 frames per second using the full sensor width. 10-bit 4:2:2 color sampling with Canon Log 3 for incredible color grading flexibility. 4K 120p high frame rate recording with minimal cropping, ideal for smooth slow-motion footage. Improved in-body heat management, allowing for extended recording without the overheating issues that have plagued some mirrorless cameras in the past. Canon is also expected to refine the in-body audio preamps, giving solo video shooters more control over sound quality without needing an external audio recorder. Additionally, the user interface for audio monitoring and waveform viewing may see a significant upgrade, making it easier for content creators to dial in professional audio on the fly. Whether you're a filmmaker, travel vlogger, or someone just looking to up their video game on YouTube, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II seems poised to deliver cinematic quality in a compact, mirrorless body. In-body image stabilization, even smoother shots. Canon's in-body image stabilization system was already a standout feature in the original R7, but the Mark II is expected to take it even further, rumored to offer up to 8 stops of stabilization when paired with Canon RF lenses. This updated IBIS could make handheld shooting incredibly steady, even at slower shutter speeds or with telephoto lenses. Canon might also introduce a more sophisticated IS coordination system, which would intelligently stabilize panning shots, telephoto captures, and fast-moving subjects. This will especially benefit wildlife, sports, and travel photographers who often shoot in dynamic environments without the luxury of a tripod. Handheld videography is also set to become smoother than ever, positioning the Canon EOS R7 Mark II as a reliable camera for creators who are always on the move. Interface, controls, and customization, more user-friendly than ever. Canon has been listening closely to user feedback, and the EOS R7 Mark II is expected to feature highly customizable controls and a more intuitive interface. Anticipated upgrades include revamped quick control dial for faster adjustments on the go, more programmable buttons to personalize your workflow, fully articulating touchscreen with improved touch sensitivity and brightness, making it easier to operate even in bright sunlight. New menu system inspired by Canon's professional cameras like the R5 and C70. Allowing quicker navigation between stills and video modes. Canon may also add features like a digital teleconverter and potentially a pixel shift high-resolution mode, enabling shooters to push the APS-C sensor's potential even further. The camera's design seems to focus on seamless transitions between photo and video workflows, which is fantastic news for hybrid creators, connectivity and workflow. Built for the modern creator, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to come equipped with next-gen connectivity options, aimed at modern photographers and videographers who require fast, reliable workflows. Here's what's rumored: Wi-Fi 6E for rapid wireless file transfers, Bluetooth 5.3 for stable device pairing, and remote control. USB-C 3.2 port supports fast tethered shooting and direct file transfers. Whether you're uploading videos straight to YouTube, backing up files on the go, or shooting directly into your editing software via tethered setups, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II aims to deliver a smooth, efficient workflow for creators at all levels. Final thoughts: based on the current wave of industry rumors and leaks, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most exciting APS-C mirrorless cameras we've seen in years. The expected price point is still under wraps, but if Canon manages to keep it within reach of enthusiasts and semi-professionals, the EOS R7 Mark II could become one of the top-selling cameras of 2025.